Welcome friends, Kat Ray here. So I help you beautify your home and yard, and I have fun doing it, so stick around. Today we'll be talking about chickens and preparing for the chicks. Because I love chickens and I love chicks, and man, over my many years of experience, I've learned you need 4 main things for these chicks. You need food, water, a heat lamp, and a brooder. If you don't know what a brooder is, we'll talk some more about it, but basically it's just a shelter. So let's go. So number 1 is the food. This food dish, I got a cow ranch, but I know you can get these at like Amazon, all sorts of any sort of little dish where you fill it up. It's got the food at the bottom. And then the second thing is the water. This is basically the same thing. Got this at Cow Ranch, but you can get it on Amazon, all sorts of places. You fill this up and it just keeps the bottom full for the chicks. One little hint about the food and water is you want to keep it elevated inside of the brooder, so it's a little bit harder for the chicks to jump in and out of it. So number 3 of the 4 things is a heat lamp. You definitely need a heat lamp until the chicks are about 6 to 8 weeks, or you will freeze them to death. I bought my heat lamp on Amazon. You gotta follow those directions real closely as to how close to put it to the chicks, because they can freeze to death, and sad to say you can overheat them. But number 4 is a brooder, or in other terms, kind of a home, like a shelter for them. This is the very first tote that I put my chickens into. Or my little chicks, aren't they so cute? But the reason I like this brooder that I've created out of a tote is it's so mobile. I can just put them in it. I brought it down here, I take it up in my bedroom. It has a metal bar that goes over the top to protect them from the doggies. Well, I hope you have found this video helpful to get those 4 basic things: the food, water, heat lamp, and the brooder, or the shelter. But if you're going to be getting chicks, I hope you enjoy them and love them as much as I do. This is a sapphire gem, is the chick that I have. And out of all of my chicks, this one is definitely the smallest. Oh, it's so cute, my goodness. But just remember, you gotta work hard, play hard, and have a wonderful day. Oh, catching the chickens, how fun.